How to shop bulk items online from Costco. Everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a very simple guide that we can follow if we want to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So what we can do is we can start by going to the Costco website or the application and signing into our account if we're not signed in. Now, once you're signed in, what we can do is we can search for the bulk item that we need, for example, snacks or anything else, drinks, paper towels, rice, cleaning supplies, and many more. You can just go over and look out for it. We also have this filter option right here that we can filter out using different category, brand, price, and delivery options. You can just go over and find a specific product that you would like to purchase. So you can just go over and open up the product page, and once you open it up, you can just go over and check the quantity and the size on the product page. So wait for the page to load up and look out for the items. This one right here, and you can look out for the size, how much size you would want and what quantity you would want. After that, you can just go over and add the item to your cart. Click on add to cart. For that, you can look out for how much item you would like to add to your cart. And you can continue shopping for more bulk items. So you can look out for more than one product. For example, other products such as, let's see, the other products are these right here. So you can just go and look at the see details page and again head over and find the option for add to cart. Go ahead and look out for add to cart option. Click on add and add that specific item to your cart, and you can just go over and do so for a bunch of other products in bulk. After that is done, in the top right corner, you should be finding a cart option. You can just go over and check out and type your shipping address and payment method if you have not done so, and you can place your order as well. And you can compare your unit price to save more, check estimated delivery dates before ordering. And some items require membership for best pricing, but you can just go and place your order this way in bulk using this Costco website or the application. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can just go over and follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.